What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Vince.
And I'm Nick.
And today we're talking about Milwaukee's One Key tools and their platform, the M18 line of tools that feature One Key.
One Key technology.
Namely, this combo kit, hammer drill and impact drivers. Nick, I love these tools. What do you think of them, though?
I gotta tell you, I agree with you, Vince. These are really good tools. They're high end. You know,
this kit, MSRP, $500,499.
There's a reason for that price. You're getting two good tools in the kit. You're also getting two 5.0 batteries and a charger.
They're great tools that are compact, they're powerful, but they're also smart. What can you do with this One Key app, and how does it integrate with the tools? I mean,
so with the One Key app, you can get it on your phone, and you can track these tools from anywhere.
Could you get it on your computer?
You can get it on your computer as well. That's
Okay.
a good point. But you can track these. You can adjust them. You can adjust the torque specs and all types of different ratings and such.
So it says right here, set power and speed. So you can set, like for instance, on the hammer drill, there's 4 different settings. There's speed 1, 2, 3, 4, or setting 1, 2, 3, 4. You can adjust those through the One Key app. Is that what you're saying?
That's what I'm saying.
Whoa.
Remotely.
What about on the impact?
There's 4 settings also on this impact driver.
Wow.
And you can adjust those speed and power settings as well from the One Key app.
Yo, another good thing, if you're a contractor, or even if you're not, let's just say you work on the job site and you have these One Key tools, right? It says it right here. You can identify nearby devices, okay? You view last known location, alert when found, so there's integrated tracking. If it's within the Bluetooth signal
Of your phone, yeah.
you can even disable these tools. Let's just say somebody decided to run off with these tools.
Yeah.
You can disable them so they wouldn't be able to use these tools. And the only time they can be turned back on would be when they were in range.
I gotta tell you, some super features here.
Yo, I gotta tell you though, like, what if you didn't want to like go on a job where they had One Key tools, where you could try to like run off with them, right?
Yeah.
What would be another way that maybe the viewers could get their hands on a One Key kit just like this one?
Well, it's funny you say that, Vince, because we're giving the viewers, the very cool gang, a chance to get this kit. I'm serious.
You said it was funny. I thought that was my cue to laugh or something.
Oh.
Very funny you say that.
It's funny, but it's also serious.
Very serious.
What do they have to do?
So, the first thing they gotta do is like this video. The second thing they gotta do is share this video.
That's easy.
Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, if you're into that kind of thing. Snapchat it, Tumblr, share the video. Number 3, you gotta be subscribed. Number 4, you gotta tap the bell notification. And number 5, the most important thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th most important thing is you leave a comment down below. In the comment, you gotta let us know how you found the channel, what you'll be doing with these tools, right? What you're gonna do with them, how you're gonna use them, what you're doing with them. And number 3, where you shared the video. And then on December 25th, we're going to announce who the lucky member of the very cool gang is. What we'll do is we're gonna pick a random comment from down below in a video we publish December 25th.
That's gonna be awesome.
How awesome is that?
That's awesome.
Yo, it's gonna be a Merry Christmas for somebody.
Somebody's gonna have a really Merry Christmas.
Or a Happy Hanukkah, I don't know.
Yeah, whichever.
Whatever.
Yeah. But just make sure you leave a qualifying comment.
Yes, most important. Please, if you need to go back and read the rules,
We're gonna have the rules.
we'll post the rules, okay? Or re-listen to what I'm saying. Like, listen.
They have to be followed to the T.
Because we are very strict with the rules, okay? Don't leave a comment. Well, you can leave a comment that doesn't adhere to the rules.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
leave this video is great.
Yeah, you can do that. We appreciate it.
Don't-
Don't expect that comment will qualify you for this, okay? And if you don't get this and we pick your comment and it wasn't qualifying, don't go be like, woo-hoo, I got to cheat it. We don't. If we have no rules, what do we have, Nick?
A world in disarray.
Anarchy! And I don't like anarchy.
No, neither do I.
With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. I want to say good luck to the very cool gang.
Get those comments in. Share the video.
Share it out.
Let other people know. Give everybody a chance.
And remember, very cool gang, 'tis the season for giving. Everyone you know a chance to get this by sharing the video with them. Yo, good luck. We'll see you all on the next one.
Get them in.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.